Being in the beauty salon business isn't easy. As a matter of fact, it is one of the most difficult businesses, as almost 80% of salon businesses fail within the first 18 months of opening. With competition on almost every street corner, how do you make sure that you stand out from the crowd and stay ahead of others? According to research, the United States beauty salon industry encompasses almost 750,000 spas and beauty salons. The research estimates the combined yearly revenue generated is around to be in the region of a massive $19 billion. Do you already have your own beauty and salon business? Or are you aspiring to become a professional stylist and start a beauty salon? What is your story? Remember, starting or running a salon in these times is a huge challenge and requires guidance of an expert. Don't let yourself make the common mistakes that causes many beauty salons to fail. In this scenario, wouldn't it be great to have a head start? Look no further, as we have good news for you. Introducing the Millionaire Guide for Hair and Beauty Salons by Nina Hall Curtis. Now you can benefit from someone who is a national award-winning stylist. A stylist who has been in this business for over 15 years. More importantly, a stylist who has trained under millionaires, worked with millionaires, and mentored millionaires. This book is a guide to help hairstylists become more business savvy. It's about changing your mindset and leveraging your skills over your opposition. Reading this book will shape you. Get yours today. Pre-order now. The first 50 copies receive a collector's edition with an autograph. A visual copy with animated illustrations and color techniques at www.hairchroniclestudio.com/millionaire_guide.html. Because there is no other book for hairstylists like this, as this is the last word in beauty salon books. Subscribe to our free Millionaire Stylist Clubs to get tips and tools about how to effectively operate and grow your business at www.hairchroniclestudio.com/index.html.